Nature, the view out of my window, is ineffable, as the trees provide their shadow. The alluring flowers, sending out aura, are so ceremonious they build up the world's entire flora. The nectar sucking butterflies are just so incomprehensible. Their ceaseless species are ostensible. All the fairies and angels up there keep a watch over the heartless humans who eradicate the wonderful nature everywhere. The ingenuity is quite spectacular. The abstract happiness surrounding the globe is regular. And this is just a portion of nature. We're speechless when it comes to describing it. After all, it's God's handmade creation.